Today we're gonna fix the bumper with some Gorilla Tape,
some pieces of milk jug and strawberry containers, and some scissors.
We got rear-ended a couple weeks ago and the bumper kind of all got cracked. This kind of all got cracked and then there's a dent here.
The body shops are out months on work, so we're going to do a temporary repair. So our plan is to try to pop this bumper together and get things as best we can where they're supposed to be. If we can. I'm going to pull this one out like this. Try to get things lined up as much as we can. So we're putting some tape pieces on to hold it in place as we go so it doesn't pop apart as much. Oh, it's looking good, isn't it? Professional body shop work. Put a piece here to kind of smooth that out a little bit. And then we're going to cut a nice end as best we can on this thing. So we've got a straight line. We're going to try to run it smooth, making a straight line down here.
And this is how you repair a bumper with some tape and pieces of plastic.
Thanks for watching!